Little vibe check, Main Street. Not too bad. Indy is basically a walk-on. Holy crap. Sunday, just at 1 o'clock, and the line is empty. There's a handful of lightning lanes. Back us up for a minute. But this posted 25 minutes. This is more like 10. Literally 1 minute, and we're in the caves. 1 minute flat. Well, we had it going on. 8 minutes to the solo room, and then the ride broke down. So we're gonna try to wait a few minutes and see if we can keep winning, or if this is a loss and we go get something to eat. Well, they booted us out. That is not winning. Boo. The one advantage to getting booted off the ride is you do get a multi-experience pass. It's like a free bonus lightning lane that you can use, not everywhere in the park, but on most rides, and it's instantaneous. You don't have to wait your 2-hour window. You can just walk up and use it immediately at any of the approved rides. There's a list. 7 minutes to the door. I'll take it.
Dig up, lads. There's treasure enough for all. I shall take this paltry sum as a stipend to cover my expenses.
Buffalo beignet sliders. That thing's huge. Pro tip, bring your own Coke. Almost every walk-up restaurant that serves soda will give you a cup of ice or ice water for free, and that'll save you $5. I didn't film it this time because you guys have seen us in the daylight and in the dark, but Big Thunder was a virtual walk-on for us. So that kind of makes up for Indy. Plus we still have our multi-pass. So we're gonna go check the line at Rise and see what happens after that. Oh no, what is that? Looks like somebody's shorts. Random.
That's good. There's lots of seating in there.
Really good Luke Skywalker. He's awesome. Alright. Standby posted at 35 minutes. But my guess, as we are going straight into the tunnel, any movement, they're not even behind the waterfall. I'm guessing we're 20 minutes to the Ray Room. 15 maybe, because they're not even behind the waterfall. So if you come to the standby line and you look through the waterfall here and you don't see anybody, that's a go. That's a go, go, go situation. So to the map room, and we've stopped with, see, that's at 2:26. 2:26. So that's less than 3 minutes to the weapons room. 4 minutes to the ready room. Line still moving. 5 minutes flat to the baggage room. Well, I was wrong.
What was it?
8 minutes. 8 minutes to the Ray room. Disney may consider getting in your boat as the time that they post on standby. As far as I'm concerned, the ride starts right here.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep?
With getting you to Vacara.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
State in lanes inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. I see no evidence. Down the alarm! All personnel to their stations! Okay, you're clear!
So we were 34 minutes through the ride, done. And it was posted 35. It is how, as you can see, starting to fill in switchbacks outside the cave. That's still 35 minutes. So much real estate. And just a quick eye on the Falcon, because, I mean, you gotta. Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you.
Look at all the real estate. What is going on with the end of summer at Disneyland? Wasn't in the plans, but we looked through the windows up there, and there's movement. That's the mix point. That's where Lightning Lane and Standby Mix posted 10 minutes. I bet we walked right through the doors. Dude. I mean, it's freaking empty. So these are the windows I was talking about. This is the mix point. Lightning Lane comes from there. Standby from here. It's a virtual walk-on to the Hondo room. But if you're down there and you look up here through these windows behind the Falcon and you see movement, go. That's a go situation. 3:10, literally 1 minute to the door to the Hondo room.
I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly down. Oh, lucky. Chewie makes flying this thing look easy, eh? Weapons are online. Left pilot, Indy booster. Now let's go get that coaxial. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed.
Punch it! Woo! Punch it!
Oh, wow! Hey, we're back on Earth!
Watch out! Another really good character. Ray is awesome. Tips and tricks. Single rider lane, if you don't mind waiting 2 minutes for whoever you're with. When you see it like that, that's a go. Get in single rider. Well, I take it back. This was straight up walk on. They pulled a two-top out of line and we skipped the whole line. All right, camera took one for the team. Let me ride up front. So hold on, suckers. Oh, dear God. Oh, God. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. Oh. Oh Lord. Oh Lordy. Oh mercy. So because of the extra lightning lane, we were able to get on the bobsleds, the Matterhorn, and then we got pulled out of line as a two-top.
Like literally, like
And-
out in the middle of the line.
Yeah, I mean, yeah,
Oh, wait.
2 minutes, 2-minute wait. And now we've got lightning lanes stacked for Indy, Guardians, and the Incredicoaster. Boom, boom, boom. Because we got that multi-experience pass when Indy broke down. So back to winning that. And we're gonna go ahead and squeeze in Peter Pan while we're here. Duck butt. Multiple duck butt. Look, we win like,
Disney ducks.
like a, do we win something? Is it like a bingo? 3 duck butts in a row. Duck
Say
butts.
that 30 times
Blah, blah, blah.
fast.
That's a far cry from what it was at 10 till 1 today. Posted at 40. Just every bit of that. Car copping. Here's a much better shot of Oogie Boogie. Tonight is the first Oogie Boogie Bash. So at 6, they boot everybody out. And away we go. But we're not doing that this time.
Oh yeah.
Not for a month. Little DCA vibe check. Got some people dressed up for the first Oogie Boogie. Not that that's an unusual thing at Disneyland anyway. Fun. Yeah, I saw.
Oh, look down the street.
Oh, yeah. Here we go. Posted at 40. Doesn't look that deep to me.
Your hands or feet and
You're
legs
next.
inside at all times.
For reasons that should remain obvious, I will not be vlogging on this. Spidey sighting. Lord, look how vertical. That's going to be big.
Wow. That's coming up quickly.
Yeah. There's Thor. So we're gonna do Guardians. I'm not gonna film inside because it's the Monsters version, and I don't want to spoil it for anybody. I didn't want to spoil it, but it only happens, you know, this time of year. So if you guys do want me to film it, we'll be back in just a couple of weeks, and I'll film it then. Just leave a comment and let me know if you want me to film. I'll try to hold on for dear life. Finally getting birria tacos. So because of Oogie Boogie Bash, DCA closes at 6 to the general public, and everybody's trying to get back into Disneyland. That land is backed up almost to the DCA entrance. But not for us today. That is gonna do it. Another wonderful day. I'll tally it up. Details will be in the description down below. Have a good day. I feel like we won today. Indy threw us off at first, but then it ended up being a real advantage at the end. So we'll take it. See ya.